The very first gene therapy trials were done for ADA SCID, another form, a specific form of SCID. Ashanti De Silva, the very first person treated with gene therapy, she and I were liking each other's tweets on Facebook earlier today. She's doing very well, as is Cindy, one of the other folks who was part of the trial. But many of you here know those early trials, were the dark ages of gene therapy, and there were some terrible repercussions for some of the folks who were part of the later trials, based on what was known and what was not. They took their best shot, and they used the knowledge that was available at the time. And as a result, basically, gene therapy was put on hold for a very, very long time. There was no appetite to play those odds, to go down that route. But happily, for ADA SCID, and for some others within our community, we now have options. And the reason that Dr. Schwartz and Dr. Rao and others, we've gotten to know each other, is that Rocket is pursuing a gene therapy option for one of those 350 diagnoses under our umbrella, LAD1. And that is, as I said, there are dozens, and then there are hundreds, and maybe there are thousands. With LAD1, the numbers are not large. It is an ultra rare, even within our space. And as a result, the organization that I now lead, the Immune Deficiency Foundation, we represent all PI forms together, but we also have to represent them individually. To be frank, we're having to up our game, in part because of learning about there being new options on the horizon for LAD1. And so it really has been eye-opening. It's a learning process for us because, as has been said before, it's collaboration. Collaborative spaces, as we are in now, collaborative efforts. No one physician, no one investigation protocol is going to get anywhere, frankly. We've seen that in the past. But now, because of the fact that Rocket is connecting with others, they've connected with us, we're helping to get them patients. This is one of the nice things about a nonprofit organization. We can do things and maneuver in ways that, that you can't, and rightfully so. But we can work together to find some of the connection points at the right times.